How to create Discord account. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you the ways to create a Discord account. So in order to create a Discord account, you need to first of all install the application. So head over to your Play Store and type in Discord on the search box and install the application. Once the application is completely installed, then you could go ahead and start creating your account. As you can see, it's already installed. Now click the open button and you could then go ahead and log in. Now press the register button at the bottom of the page. Now you could either go with your email or a phone number. So I'm going to go ahead and register with my email address. And next thing you want to do is type in next, and you want to give display name to yourself, which is your username, and click the next button. Once you've done that, you could then go ahead and create a password. Once done, go ahead and create a date of birth, or just simply type in your exact date of birth and click the confirm button. Then click on create account, then click the confirm button. Once you've actually done this, you need to go ahead and verify your email address and you'll have successfully created your Discord. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.